In today's video, I will be showing you guys the secret to making $10,000 in just 1 week. And if you guys give this method some time, or if you already have the requirements that it takes, you can even make $10,000 in just one single day if you listen step by step to the instructions that I'm about to go over with you. My name's KINGLATTA. You're watching Black Investors Group, and I have started a cargo van business at the age of 19 and have been financially free ever since. And I've also dibbled and dabbled in crypto and have made over $40,000 in just the last year in cryptocurrency by doing absolutely no work at all, completely on autopilot. So in today's video, it is my job to teach you how to make money completely on autopilot and even how to make $10,000 in just one single week. I will be going over a method that only the rich do, and this is how the rich are getting richer, and I will be showing you exactly the steps that it takes to make free money and to make money that you haven't even worked for, and to start making passive income completely on autopilot without laying a finger. Guys, make sure you strap in. You don't want to miss any of this information. I'm telling you, this is how the rich get richer, and if you want to be wealthy just like them, stay tuned to the end of this video. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So about 2 years ago, I finally realized how to make money the easy way and how the rich are getting richer and the fundamentals to the American currency. So as we all know, America lives on a debt system. We're over about $20 trillion in debt, and thanks to Joe Biden, we're going in billions and billions of more every single day due to this war in Ukraine. But besides that, man, let's get into how to make $10,000 in just one single week. Like I said, we are living in a debt system. America is in big debt right now, and even the rich people are using debt to make them appear broke, but they're actually millions and millions up ahead. Now guys, you're probably thinking that the method I'm about to teach you is taxes, but you can make money in taxes, but I'm not about to go over taxes in this video. I'm about to go over credit. Now I know what you're thinking. You might be like, I already got good credit or I have bad credit. Well, this doesn't matter on if your credit is good or bad. It just matters on how you manage your credit and how you use your money to make yourself more money. So when I was 19 years old, I came across this crypto investing platform that pays you 3% compound interest every single week in crypto Bitcoin. This crypto trading platform is called Novatech, and like I said, you can get paid an average of 3% every single week straight into your account, guys, and you can withdraw it anytime you want to. I have did videos on Novatech in my past, and if you do want to learn exactly step by step how to get set up, go to the videos at the beginning, the very beginning of my channel, and you will see 4 videos teaching you exactly everything you need to know to get set up with Novatech. But hold on. Novatech isn't the main goal of this video. I'm gonna still show you how you can make $10,000 in one day, and how you can use Novatech to make you $3,000 a month without doing any work whatsoever. So back to the credit scheme that I was going over. What you want to do is, if you haven't already done so already, is you want to get a credit card or even 2, and you just want to build your credit slowly. So if you're new to credit, the fastest way that you can build is by spending under 30% of your credit limit. So if you do have an $1,000 credit limit, of course, don't spend any more than $300. And what you want to do is you want to put payments on that card twice a month. So every 2 weeks, go ahead and pay off whatever your balance is. Always pay your full balance before the due date is due. I do suggest about 3 days before it is due. And as long as you keep your credit record clean, guys, no late payments, keep paying on time and early, and pay twice a month, you will build your credit extremely fast. And as long as you have about 6 months to a year of credit history, you can absolutely make this method possible and make $10,000 in just one single day. Alright, now let's stop beating around the bush. I know you want to hear how to make $10,000 a day. So what you're going to want to do is, after your 6 months of building credit, or if you already have good credit, guys, and you already have a bank relationship with your Wells Fargo or your Navy Federal. Navy Federal and Wells Fargo are the 2 best banks that makes this method possible, and it's the 2 best banks that gives out a lot of money. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your bank's online website around about 10 o'clock at night, guys, The reason for this is around 10 o'clock, nobody is working. 11 p.m., nobody is working, and you're strictly talking to a computer. The computer has no say-so. They really just look at your credit history, your background, how long you've been with the bank, and they will approve you or disapprove you in a matter of minutes. So it's 11 o'clock at night. You want to go on your banking app on your phone or either on your computer, and you want to go get a loan, guys. Now you want to get a loan for about $5,000 to even $20,000, and if you really want to put this method on blast, you could try for $25,000 or even $30,000. Now of course, if your credit is still on the lower end, if you're still under a 700 credit score or about a 690, of course don't apply for $25,000. Keep it safe, guys. Apply for about $10,000 to $15,000 if you do have that 650 to 700 credit score. And with Navy Federal and Wells Fargo, they will definitely approve you with this 670 to 690 credit score for $15,000. When I did this method, guys, I had about a 685 credit score, and I did get approved for $15,000 by Wells Fargo in just a couple of minutes. This loan, guys, what you want to do is you don't want to touch any of this money whatsoever. You want to put this money straight into this crypto trading platform called Novatech. So with Novatech, you can make 3% compound interest every single Friday. So that means that each Friday, if you put $1,000 into this trading account, you will be making $30 per week. But with compound interest, each week you will be making more and more, because after week 1 you will now have $1,030 making 3% interest. So week 2 you will probably make $33 or $34 off of that $1,030. And then, like I said, guys, week 6, now you have $1,063 in your trading account, and now you're making 3% off of that. So compound interest will stack over time. And if you see the numbers right here, guys, this is the amount of money that you could be making, and you guys could do these guesstimates on the calculatorsite.com. Novatech is absolutely trustworthy, guys, and I have did videos in the past and people say they are a scam. Guys, Novatech is a small company with a lot of members, over 1 million members, and they don't have the backbone like Apple does. So they went 4 years without any missed payouts whatsoever, and just a couple months ago they started struggling a little bit with the payouts, but they have made those payouts up. So if you see people saying Novatech is a scam, I can show you that it's very, very much not, and I can show you the money that I'm making right here. They did go 2 weeks without paying people, but it did just roll over into their trading account. So even though they couldn't withdraw, they still got paid out for their earnings. But Novatech pretty much works as a hedge fund. You give them an initial investment and then you make your interest, guys. You can recruit people and make up to 5% of what your recruits make each week. And if your recruits recruit people, then you can make 2.5% off of their recruits. And as the tree goes down, it just cuts in half. So even after 5 people of who your recruitee recruited, you can still make 0.3% off of people. And by you signing up in the link in my description and the Novatech link, guys, you will be able to save $50 for your first 2 months of your monthly membership free, because there is a $25 monthly membership fee. And I do suggest, if you are investing in Novatech, to start your account over $300 so that that $25 won't be eating out your earnings. Because if you only start with $100, you make $3 a week, so you're making $12 a month. So pretty much after that $25 membership fee, you are now negative $12 for the month, and pretty soon that $12 and your $100 is gonna get eaten to zero. So please go ahead and click the link in the Novatech description, guys. Go ahead and click that link, make your friends sign up as well. And I do have videos at the beginning of my channel explaining exactly step by step how to get started, but it's pretty obvious on how to get started. All you have to know is how to add money into your account and how to set up your crypto wallet. By building your credit, you will open a bunch of opportunities, not just for getting loans, but for getting the car that you want and for getting the house that you want. And guys, you really want to build good bank history with certain banks. Like I said, Wells Fargo, Navy Federal are 2 of the best banks that loans you money. And my friend's dad even has 6 auto loans through 1 Navy Federal account, guys. So as long as you're paying your bills on time, as long as you're paying your loans and your credit cards on time, And as long as you keep that good history for a couple months and a couple years, guys, they will loan you whatever you need. So this is a good idea to keep in the back of your pocket. Keep your credit good, and like I said, guys, you can make that $10,000 in just one single day by applying for a loan, and they will approve you in just one single day. And if you do want to make passive income with that loan money, guys, you can easily put that money into Novatech, make $300 per week off of just a $10,000 investment, and then with that $300, guys, you are making $1,200 a month completely passive, not doing any work at all. And what you want to do is pay that loan off with the Novatech money that you've made. So probably withdraw that money 2 times per month, you know what I mean? Now you have $600 from what you've made, $300 that goes towards the loan for what you have to pay monthly on the loan, and then $300 in your pocket, and then the remaining $600 is getting compounded and saved in your account. But if you really want to put this method on blast and make as much money as possible off this Novatech account and compound really fast, don't touch that money at all. Put your hard-earned money that you're working from for your job or from your business, pay that loan off with that $300 that you've made in your business or at your job, and compound all your Novatech money for about 3 to 4 months, and that $15,000 in just a matter of months will turn into $30,000. And with $30,000 in your Novatech account, you are now making $1,000 a week. And with $1,000 a week, guys, that is completely living income, and you could quit your job just by making passive income off of Novatech. Take it from me, man. These are the steps I have done to be financially free. I don't work a job. I haven't in over a year now. So if you want to be financially free, start investing today. Go ahead, build your credit, and sign up for Novatech in the link in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on those post notifications because we are posting daily on this channel. This channel is on the way to 100K, and if you subscribe today, you can be a part of the family. Yes, man, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join the family because we're on the way up. Let's make this money the easy way. You're watching Black Investors Group. Until tomorrow, we out. Woo!
You talking money, want all of it.